Urhobo mewado. Kebo wani meyo meyo motero wa. UYONO Urhobo. Ayeru Yorowi Christy Ogenenyeru happy Igho umukuru. No na me go not talk about IBIEBE YERE IBIETA. Today I want to talk about alphabets in Urhobo language. We have 25 alphabets in Urhobo language, but with the addition of letter C, which cannot be pronounced alone without the addition of letter H, it makes it 26 alphabets, just like in the English. But the only difference is that in Urhobo alphabet we have 2 E's and 2 O's. The 2 E's, one is without dot. That one that is without dot is pronounced as A. Then the one with dot is pronounced as E. While the letter O, the O's, one is without dot. That one without dot is pronounced as O. Then the one with dot is pronounced as O. Now these are the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. This is how they are being pronounced. Letter A sound as A. Letter A, A. Then letter B, B, you pronounce it B. Letter C, which is CH, sound as Ki. Letter C, Ki. Letter D, can say da, de, di, do, di. Then letter E without dot is pronounced as A in English. A. Letter E without dot is pronounced as A in English. A. Then letter E with dot is pronounced as L. Then letter F, Fi, Fa, Fe, Fi, Fo, Fu. Letter G sound as Ga, Gi, Ga. Letter H, He, like Ha, He, Ho, Hu. Letter I is pronounced as E in English. Letter I, E. Letter I, E. Letter J, like G in English. Letter K, Ki, Ko, Ku. Letter L, Li, La, Le, Li, Lo, Lu. Letter M sound as Mi, Ma, Me, Mi, Mo, Mu. Letter N, Na, Ni, Ne, Ni, No, Nu. Letter O without dot sound as O in English. O. Letter O sound as O. That O without dot it sound as O. Then letter O with dot sound as O or O. Letter P sound as P, Fi. Then letter R sound as Ri. Letter R, Ri. Letter S sound as S, Sa, Se, Si, So, Su. Letter T sound as Ti, Ta, Te, Ti, To, Tu. Letter U sound as U, Utujoro, U. Letter V sound as V, Va, V, ve, vi, vo, vo, vu. Later W sound as we. Then later Y sound as you. Later Y sound as y. Then finally later Z sound as z, za, ze, ze, zi, zo, zo, zoo. I end my lecture here for today. You can follow me on YouTube to watch this video repeatedly as you wish. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on TikTok. I'm all over. All I do is teach the Urhobo language because I don't want this language, our precious language, to go into extinction. Thank you as you learn our Urhobo language and as you follow Christy all over her social media pages. I love you all. We were gonna walk with you. Why you no Urhobo na? Eji Urhobo na because Urhobo na or dawe ruku. Ufoli not your dawe walk in eji. Urhobo belin Urhobo je. Odun awon foli. Eja ji Urhobo walk mo. Eja mari yun na ma wale Urhobo na. Wado. I'm like SFA.